OpenAI is making GPT-5 in secret vertical bar chat GPT introduction as artificial intelligence continues to advance at an astonishing pace. OpenAI has been working in secrecy on their newest project, GPT-5. This cutting-edge technology promises to revolutionize the way we interact with machines and could potentially change the world as we know it. But why is OpenAI keeping this development under wraps? Join us as we explore the mysteries behind GPT-5 and what implications it may have for our future. Why is OpenAI making GPT-5 in secret? OpenAI's decision to develop 5 Ghanaian Polas in secret has raised some eyebrows and led to many questions. The company is known for its groundbreaking technology in the field of artificial intelligence, so why the secrecy? One reason could be that OpenAI wants to keep a competitive edge over other companies working on similar technology. By keeping their research under wraps, they may be able to release a more advanced version of GPT without fear of being outdone by competitors. Another possible factor could be concerns around ethical implications or potential misuse of GPT-5. With such powerful language capabilities, it's important for OpenAI to carefully consider how this technology will impact society. It's also worth noting that OpenAI has faced criticism in the past for releasing potentially dangerous AI systems without proper oversight. Pausing research on AI was one way that Elon Musk hoped to prevent any unintended consequences from emerging technologies. While we don't know exactly why OpenAI is developing GPT-5 in secret, it's clear that there are many factors at play. As with any new technology, it's important for us as a society to ask questions and hold developers accountable for their actions. What is OpenAI? OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research laboratory consisting of leading experts in the field. The company's ultimate goal is to create advanced AI systems that can be used for a variety of purposes, including natural language processing and automation. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by a group of tech industry leaders, including Elon Musk. The focus at OpenAI is on developing intelligent machines that can learn and adapt to their environment. This means that they are constantly researching new algorithms and technologies to help make this goal reality. One key area of research at OpenAI is working towards building more sophisticated chatbots than ever before. These chatbots would be able to understand complex human language patterns and respond accordingly, making them incredibly useful tools for businesses looking to automate customer service interactions. OpenAI has also been exploring the potential applications of AI in various industries such as healthcare, finance, and education. By using machine learning algorithms, they hope to revolutionize these fields with smarter decision-making tools. OpenAI aims to promote responsible development practices when it comes to creating intelligent machines so that we may achieve great advancements without any foreseeable negative consequences. What is GPT-5? GPT-5 is the fifth iteration of OpenAI's generative pre-trained transformer GPT language model series. This language model builds upon its predecessors, GPT-2 and GPT-3, by incorporating more powerful algorithms and models that help it generate more refined text output. The key feature of GPT-5 is its ability to understand context and generate natural-sounding text in response to prompts. Unlike previous models which were limited to specific domains or tasks, GPT-5 has a broad range of applications including chatbots, content creation, translation services, and even virtual assistants. One unique aspect of GPT-5 is that it can learn from vast amounts of unlabeled data, making it capable of handling multiple languages at once without any explicit training. This advanced level of technology will have significant implications for various industries, such as marketing, where it can be used for personalized ad campaigns based on user behavior patterns, or healthcare, where it can enhance the accuracy of medical diagnoses. With its advanced capabilities in understanding context and generating relevant responses quickly, we can expect OpenAI's GPT-5 to revolutionize the field of natural language processing. Pause research of AI by Elon Musk. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has long been a vocal critic of artificial intelligence. He believes that AI poses an existential threat to humanity and has repeatedly called for restrictions on its development. In fact, he once famously referred to AI as summoning the demon. Musk's concerns about AI have led him to take some drastic actions. For example, he founded Openai in 2015 with the goal of advancing AI research in a safe and responsible manner. However, even this organization is not immune from his fears. In 2018, Musk stepped down from Openai's board after disagreements over the company's direction. Specifically, he was concerned that they were moving too quickly towards building advanced AI systems without sufficient safeguards in place. While Musk's decision to pause research on AI may seem extreme to some people, it highlights just how serious the potential risks are believed to be by those at the forefront of developing these technologies. Whether or not you agree with his stance on this issue, it is clear that we need to carefully consider all possible consequences before rushing headlong into uncharted territory with technology that could have far-reaching implications for our future as a species. What are the implications of GPT-5? GPT-5 is the next generation of natural language processing, and it's going to be a game-changer. With the ability to process even more data than its predecessor, GPT-3, it will be able to generate text that is nearly indistinguishable from human-generated content. This has enormous implications for businesses and individuals alike. For one thing, GPT-5 could significantly disrupt the content creation industry. It may soon become possible for AI algorithms to produce high-quality articles on any topic without any input from humans. This would allow companies to create vast amounts of content at a fraction of their current costs, potentially leading to new business models or entirely new industries. Another potential impact is in customer service. With GPT-5's advanced capabilities, chatbots could become much more sophisticated and better at understanding customer inquiries and requests. This could lead to faster response times and better overall customer experiences. Privacy concerns are also an implication worth considering with GPT-5 technology. As this system becomes more powerful over time, there might be risks associated with these advancements as well, such as deepfake videos or other forms of synthetic media that can deceive people into believing something false. While the implications of GPT-5 are both exciting and concerning, one thing remains certain. It will change how we interact with technology forever. Pause research of AI by others. As artificial intelligence AI continues to develop at an unprecedented rate, it has raised concerns about the potential dangers of AI if left unchecked. This has led some researchers and organizations to call for a pause in AI research. Some argue that pausing research would allow time for careful evaluation of both the benefits and risks associated with advancements in AI. It would also provide an opportunity to establish ethical guidelines and regulations that could help prevent any harmful consequences from emerging. However, others argue that stopping AI research altogether is not a feasible solution, as there are many benefits associated with such technology. Instead, they propose establishing responsible development practices and ethical frameworks while continuing to advance our knowledge of AI regardless of which side you take on this issue. One thing is clear. We need to approach the development of new technologies with caution and foresight so that its potential benefits can be realized without causing harm. Openai's development of GPT-5 in secret is a significant step towards the advancement of artificial intelligence technology. Though there are concerns about the implications of such advanced AI models, Openai ensures that they prioritize safety and ethical considerations. As we await further announcements from Openai regarding their progress with GPT-5, it is important to note that this innovation could revolutionize fields like healthcare, finance, and entertainment. It could also shape how we interact with machines in our daily lives. Indeed, while we may not know everything about GPT-5 or what Openai has planned for it yet, one thing is certain. The future potentialities are limitless. So this was our today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.